Hi guys, it's Marieta. Thanks for tuning in today's video. I am talking about how you can possibly work on B1/B2 visa. And if you are someone who is planning to start a business in the United States, possibly apply for E2 visa, then definitely stay tuned. So, how can you work in the United States under B1/B2 visa? Technically you can't. And you know that, right? This is tourist visa. You cannot work on tourist visa, but there is exception. There is this exception that I'm actually describing and teaching in my program, E2 Ultimate Visa Program. If you enroll today, you're gonna receive a bonus that's gonna describe exactly how to create this strategy and how you can possibly work on B1/B2 visa. Now, it's not straightforward strategy, but it is doable, especially for people who are already running a companies back home and they want to extend and start doing business in the United States. And then while they are extending, possibly they want to apply for E2 visa. So there is a certain exception for these individuals because there is a way you can actually work in the United States even though you are on B1/B2 visa. On the other hand, I need to say this because many times people who come to me and they want to work with me, you know, they are on OPT. They are on OPT and they're asking me, can I start my own business? And the answer is yes, you can. In fact, you can even start your own business while you are studying in the United States under F1 visa. But here's the trick. You can start a business, but you cannot work for that company. You can hire people who will work for you, but you cannot work for that company. Now, on the other hand, there is a way, again, how you can work under B1/B2 if you are in the United States under this status, right? And later you can change the status. You can change the status from B1 to E2. But this is not straightforward because in majority cases, you know, people cannot work under B1/B2. Is there a way? Yes, there is actually a way. It has something to do with a company that is incorporated outside of the United States while you are performing in the United States, right? And then potentially you can extend and create affiliated office in the United States and later you can change the status to E2 or L1 or possibly L1B if you are intra-company transferee, if you are employed. All right, so like I said, there is a way, but it requires a strategy, and that is something I teach in my program, E2 Ultimate Visa, which has the bonus, separate bonus that is devoted to this topic, where I'm actually showing you exact blueprint strategy, how you do that. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. So last couple of words I want to say. Who is this program for? It is for people who are entrepreneurs. First of all, you have to be entrepreneur. I work with people who are entrepreneurs. I work with people who are, you know, even aspiring entrepreneurs. If you are not existing entrepreneur, it's okay, because when I started, I was an entrepreneur, right? But I'm also working with people who are currently in the United States. Maybe maybe you're a student, maybe you are on OPT and you want to change your status because your H-1B visa situation is the same as mine. A couple of years ago when I couldn't find H-1B visa sponsor, that's how I started my company, ImmigrationBiz. And by the way, back then I was licensed attorney. And by the way, back then I was someone who was already, educated in the United States, licensed attorney in the United States, and someone who just couldn't find H-1B visa sponsor. So I had to sponsor myself. So that's a true story, and that's how I started to really work with foreign entrepreneurs, you know, moving to US and doing exactly this visa, because I discovered myself it's the best way. So I do work with entrepreneurs. I do work with aspiring entrepreneurs who are from 3D countries. So you need to find out if you are from E2 3D countries. Simple Google it. If you are, and if you have minimum investment of 30 to 50K, you're welcome to come and join my program. If you are someone who is not sure, if you're someone who is scared, if you're someone who doesn't believe in me because you don't believe in yourself, please don't come. I work with people who believe in my services, people who believe in me that I can deliver, because obviously my story is a proof, and I want to work with someone who is confident enough that they can pull it off with my guidance. The fee is super affordable. It's open, enrollment is open for a couple of days. Right now it's going to be closed within 48 hours. So you have a last chance to sign up for this super low price. I mean, if there was someone like that, 9 years ago when I needed this help, I would be in. I couldn't find anybody, so I kind of reinvented myself by error and trial and error, in other words. So there you have it, guys. The link is below this video, and if you have any other questions, you can leave them below the video. Otherwise, I see you inside of the training. Have a great day.